it's a Michelada, which is a very typical Mexican cocktail. It's sort of like a Bloody Mary with beer. But I'm going to add pickle brine juice to this. And
what do you call it, honey?
I'm calling it a pickle me up.
Pickle me up.
Excuse me. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is drop a lime on the counter. Then after we pick the lime back up, we're going to what's called rim the glass. I'm using a pint glass like you would drink beer in. Rub the lime around the glass. Then I got some celery salt in here, and I'm just dipping the glass in there, and the glass is now rimmed. So the idea being when you drink the cocktail, you get the taste of celery salt. This drink could not be easier. We're going to fill these glasses with ice. Again, make sure to spill half of the ice on the counter.
As you always do.
As I always do.
People look forward to it. They write in about it.
Then we're going to add some fresh lime juice, about an ounce or so in each cocktail. Then we're going to add in about an ounce each, maybe an ounce and a half of tomato juice or spicy vegetable
V8.
juice, V8, or if you got Bloody Mary mix lying around, that'll work too.
V8, I love V8, vegetable juice.
Yeah, veggie juice. I'm gonna add some hot sauce because you gotta make it spicy. Any hot sauce you like. Then the secret ingredient, the pickle brine. See if I can do this without pouring pickle brine all over the counter. Oh, look at that.
Good job.
I did it.
You did it.
About a half an ounce in each. Then give that a little bit of a stir. I mean, already I want to drink this, even without the beer, which is even going to make it even more betterer. I'm going to add a little more ice. The more ice you add to a drink, the slower the ice melts. Those are the rules I heard. And I'm using a Mexican beer, of course, because it's a Mexican drink, but you can use whatever beer you got hanging around.
But that's a light flavored beer.
Yeah,
right?
this is a lager. It's it's Modelo, Mexican lager. I think you'd want to go with something a little lighter, not a dark beer. I am giving a little pickle spear and a lime wedge for a garnish because I think it looks nice. And,
It does look nice. Let me just get a straw. I'm just going to take a sip.
She's getting a straw. I wouldn't do a straw with this, but
Well, you're
it's
a
not
man.
illegal.
It's beautiful, honey. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, everybody.